there's a few hours break in the rain. The rains of December continued from the rains of November. I'm going to show you a little quick video, one of my favorite gadgets. This is a simple coffee brewing machine. Water in here, coffee in here. Screw this on. Apply heat. It'll brew you a 4-cup espresso, or in this case, just a simple, ordinary cup of coffee out in the woods between rain showers. I think I need to find a steadier, less squishy surface. All right, moss covered log number 2. That's better. And matching cup. Now we do the coffee weight. Trying out this little $10 stove again. Took the hint of a commenter. It was a pretty obvious mistake I made in a previous video. Pull up the wick, get more flame. So, see how long it takes to boil a cup of water. Through this percolator and into my happy green cup. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I want a coffee. Coffee. I love this stuff. Ground cover. Hey, it smells like cedar. I don't know. Pretty. It's very fluffy. Great tent pad area right here. Oh, so it begins. There we go. Cup of coffee in the woods to start my day. Oh yeah. I love my gadgets. Sure, it takes up room in the kayak, but it's the small things. The luxury of a very nicely brewed cup of coffee. Real coffee, not instant. Okay, till next time, you guys, eat well, be good to each other. Merry Christmas. Gonna go enjoy the sun. Cheers. Yeah. You still here? Okay. Bye-bye. Go. Go live your lives. Watch some of my other videos. Shoo.